Are you an aspiring data analyst or you want to learn data analytics? Then this video is for you. Or you are confused on how to start your journey as data analyst or how to transition from your current career to data analytics. And you're wondering, can I do this? Because maybe you don't have any tech background and you're just confused with all the tools all around there, with all the information around, and you're confused on which step to take. If you are in this group, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to start your journey as a data analyst. I wish someone actually helped me, and I'm going to show you exactly what I did that helped me start as a data analyst and that helped me get job faster than every other data analyst out there. Hi, my name is Rebecca Ike. I'm a data analyst and data analyst instructor. In this YouTube channel, I give out tutorials and I give out videos that will help you get data analyst job, start your career as a data analyst, and learn all the tools that you need to learn as a data analyst. And if you're interested in this, subscribe to this channel, like this video, and then let's begin. So you might have been trying to learn data analytics. Let me say you've tried learning these two, and then you know that, oh, you hear somewhere that, okay, this other tool is important. Oh, you are seeing that, oh, you should learn Power BI, you should learn Python, and then you are confused, you don't know which one to learn, and you are learning so many tools at once. You need to stop. You don't need to learn every tool at once. This is one of the things that people do that actually affects their journey into data analytics, and most people stop because they feel overwhelmed. They feel like they can't take it because they are trying to do so many things at once, and that is a very, very, very devastating and frustrating way to begin this journey. So now, what should you do as you are interested in data analytics? What should you do? What should be your first step? The first thing you need to do is that you need to focus on one tool. You need to select one tool and stay on it. And the tool that I usually tell people to start with and focus on first is Excel. Now you might be wondering, why Excel? It is because Excel is a very underrated tool, because it is used in almost in every field, in every organization. They use Excel to manage their data, and Excel help you to understand the fundamentals of data thinking. It helps you to understand the processes of data analytics, how to think as a data analyst, and even the steps. Excel will help you to learn how to clean messy data. It will help you to learn how to organize your data, how to analyze data, and build simple reports. Excel is like your friend, if you're a friend, because it helps you to learn how to be a data analyst. And that is why I advise start with Excel first when learning data analytics. Yes. Now, there are many Excel tutorials and Excel tools, Excel tutorials and Excel courses out there with so many informations. And that is why I created a crash Excel course that will just give you the things you need to learn, the things you need to know as a data analyst in using Excel. The formulas you need to learn, the steps you need to know, how to use pivot table to create to analyze data, the formulas. You know, there are thousands of formulas in Excel, like millions of formulas in Excel, but there are specific formulas. There are formulas that a data analyst always use to analyze data. And in this course, I actually focused on those formulas and those steps that you need to know. The link to this course is in my description, and this course is just going for the sum of 2,000 naira. Yes, I know it is very cheap for the value that it is that I'm giving, but I'm just doing it for you. So if you're interested, just check out the course in my description with the link below and let me know what you think about it. So that is a start with Excel, focus on it, get good at it. I remember when I started as a data analyst, I struggled with Excel. I didn't like it. It looked so abstract. It looked confusing, and I didn't like it. I just always skipped it. Even when I was done learning, I was always using Power BI, thinking that is the best. But when I got a job and I knew that I had to use Excel, I had to calm down and learn it. And trust me, when I learned it, I fell in love with Excel. Now I'm so happy to use it. Now I like using it. Okay, and that is what you are going to feel after you are done with this Excel course. Trust me. Now, after you are done learning the Excel, how will you start making money with it? How will you apply for a job? As you start, practice what you are learning. work on this in this course, Excel course. I added practice, I added data set for assessment. When I'm done, when the data cleaning class is done, you have a data set that you use and practice data cleaning. Talk about it, right? Talk about it. Tell people, oh, I cleaned this messy data set and this is what I got after that. And then when I thought about formula in the course, after the formula video, I gave an assessment that you use and assess yourself in the formula aspect. When you do stuff like this, or when you are done going through the assessment, post it online, post it on LinkedIn, talk about it, tell people, oh, this is what I was able to do. And then I gave a capstone project at the end of the course, a project that you can work on just to test yourself. And this project, you can also put it online to let people know how good you are becoming, to let people know what you are learning. And you can never tell, someone might actually reach out to you. Many people got internships before we were done learning data analytics. When I was learning, a lot of my fellow students got internships, got jobs before we were done. So you don't need to be perfect to actually get a job. Just make sure that as you're going through this course, just make sure that you're talking about it, make sure you're practicing, and that you are also practicing with the data set I gave for practice and assessment. And also you also work on the capstone project that I put there. So just focus on Excel, calm down, you are doing great. Okay, Excel and data analytics is for you, and you are going to get it, and you are going to do it, and you're going to be one of the best analysts in the world. Okay, so when you just start with Excel, finish with Excel, then you can move into another tool. Stay with that tool, finish with it, then you can move into another tool, and that is it. And always talk about what you do. That's one of the ways to actually get jobs. The last job that I got, I made a video about that a few days ago. I talked about how someone just reached out to me and offered me a job. Why? Because they know what I do. They know I talk about it all the time. All right. So always put yourself out there. I'm rooting for you, and I can't wait to hear. I can't wait to hear your stories, your success stories. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.